Why am I up? I just have to ask a question. Is there anyone out here suffering the same affliction that I'm suffering? I have a neighbor right now up underneath me, snoring like a dragon. He is so loud. He got a woman too. I don't even know how she's dealing with it, but I can't deal with this. It sounds like this man is literally up under my bed, right next to me, and he sounds like a monster. Sounds like a dragon. And I don't know if I should have to deal with this. It is a violation of my space, even though this is like noise. And I don't think I should have to deal with this. Is there anyone out there who's dealing with this? I'm dubbing this the sleeping dragon because right now I can't sleep. I should be sleeping right now. I should be getting my beauty sleep. It's 3 something in the morning. It's after 3 a.m. in the morning. This started at 12 something at night, and I cannot sleep, and it's so irritating. This is day 31. I just moved here, and I do admit my last place, um, they were jackrabbits, but I think I would rather hear that than having to hear someone snoring and sound like a monster because it's making my skin crawl. Ugh, do you hear it? This is ridiculous. Is there anyone out there that's dealing with this? Because I don't want to get off into the single lady subject, but I'm single and I don't have a man. And that's one of my one. If you snore, okay, that's if you snore and you can't cook, that's a problem for me. And so for me to have to deal with this right now, being single, someone snoring up underneath me like they're laying next to me. This is so disgusting and it's such a violation of my space. And it's I don't know. I'm not even being able to enjoy my singleness. I'm the landlord upstairs. I screamed so loud today because it's day 31. Okay, it's day 31, and I screamed so loud. And my landlord is above me. Okay, and I can have the music up, the TV up. I'm not going to stick anything in my ears because it scares me. I need to hear what's going around me. I need to be aware. Because that is a solution, but it's not for me. Okay? But is, is there anyone out here there is suffering this affliction? This is an affliction. I mean, I don't mean to be whining or whatever. Sorry if I don't have no makeup on, but it's 3 something in the morning and I should be sleeping. Why am I up? Anyways, thanks for listening.